Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing great and well. So the point of this video is basically to give you a quick update of what Bitcoin has been doing for the past, let's say, week. Because we set the plan past 2 days and Bitcoin has been beautiful. It has been respecting our levels super nice, and this is just giving you money opportunities. If you're not making money in this market, I don't know what you're doing. But let me just walk you through what happened. And I'm gonna go a bit back here. This is member only video, but I'm gonna go a bit back here because I think I'm gonna make this one public, just so everyone knows what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. A quick market update for everyone since it's Friday as well. So let's get started. We had this move to the downside, and it was very, very technical. This reaction over here was very super technical. We had levels to the dollar itself. Let's just do that. Why not? Why not? Don't believe me? Let me show you. So yeah, if you pull a Fibonacci, you pull from here to here, and you double click and you put the 0.886 exactly to the dollar, giving that reversal to the upside. So I know people are look at the news here and look at the fundamentals, but the fundamentals behind this is basically people are accumulating Bitcoin. And since the events that are happening and going around the world, everything's negative. Let's get Bitcoin. Let's be safe. But I mean, it's super technical. All that news came up somewhere here, but where the reaction happened was exactly to this dollar, and there are much more levels than this, just this level to basically here. So that being said, very technical level, take the long, make money to the upside, which was around, let me just show you, a 31%, 32% move. Very nice. Real estate is 7% per year. This is, let me just show you, just for the real estate people in the group. This is around in 6 days. In 6 days, 32%. Amazing. Very technical level. You know your levels, make your money. So yeah. So what's happening next? What have we been doing so far? For example, we had this move to the upside. So of course we have a plan to make money on the next move. We made this is basically one move onto the next one, always going on to the next one. So I want to quickly share with you what we shared before 2 days of market update, Bitcoin market update on 2nd of March 2022. Just watch this video. This part of the video basically tells you the plan that we were looking at, and it went on beautifully, giving us a 9% so far, and we're aiming for 13 to 14%. Just a very quick update. I want to show you this video. This is the scenario I want to see. Find acceptance, go SFP, look at your checklist, check, everything is good. Trap traders, demand is showing up, and market structure chain, compound your trade all the way to the downside, take profits here, or take profits here, or take profits here. And the VWAP coming down to this level over here, which is the value area low of the range. So that's typical what happens in terms of value area low, as well as 0.618. So yeah, basically this is the level we're looking at next. Super simple level. So the theory behind this, the thinking behind this is, let me just tell you what we were thinking basically. So you just know our way of thinking here with the markets is completely different and unique. That's why it works. So we have this range over here, right? Prices are just moving up and down, up and down, up and down. You don't need to know what a range is, even though if you're just a beginner, I'm going to make it super simple for you. We have price moving up and down, up and down. So on each up and each down, these big market players, these people who have big money in the market, grab liquidity basically off the market. They say, okay, this is low. Now I want to think, how can I put it for you? Super simple. Yeah, okay, so look at it this way. There's this pool over here, and there's limited money in this pool, and people are pouring money in the pool, okay? Like normal people. But if I want to come and take a big portion of that pool, I need more money to more people to pour in money in order for more money to be there, so I can take a bigger amount of money for myself, right? So this is what exactly is happening here. The whales are playing it in a way where everyone put their money in the market while they take the big portion of that money for themselves. Very simple. That I think this example is a perfect example to just explain what's happening here. So we were waiting for that moment where the whales would come in and pull the money out of the market, out of that pool, let's say. So everyone poured their money in, retail, normal individuals, 95% of people who don't exactly know how the markets work. They put in their money, And these people, these big players who know, the smart investors, came in and put that. And that exactly happened here. As you can see, it exactly happened here. And if you know what to look at, you can know exactly what's happening. You can read this. This is super simple, clear. Okay? So I don't want to go into details, but I'm just explaining to you what's happened. So they pulled the money out. This is exactly where we shorted, and it was given to the team. And this is what I showed you in this video as well. So we shorted this area over here. We waited. We just sat in the short all the way down to a nice 9% move so far. And we're aiming for a bit lower. But of course, Bitcoin being Bitcoin, you never know. So we take profits on the way. So what we were looking at, price moving up, whales taking all the money out, then coming down all the way here, taking profits at here, for example, closing 50% of the position, then based on some technicals, adding that 50% back to make more money, then also taking profits again at another support critical level, then another support, and then maybe looking for that major level that would cause price to go from down to up. Basically a trend reversal. So very simple. This is exactly what we're looking at. I mean, it looks Chinese for some people. This all looks Chinese if you don't know how to look at it. Basically, you don't know how to read it, but it's like a language. So if you know how to read the language of the charts, it's super simple. You can know what exactly happens with the market and all and so on. So what's next is basically this level over here. Since we already traded all of this and this is gone, and if you're not in that short, this is a gone opportunity for now. Look for the next one. And another thing to note, you know, the Bart's, I shared this on Discord as well. So this is Bart's head, right? This is eyes and nose. So it's like price goes up, consolidates, sideways range, quick move down. So this is common with Bitcoin. It's not necessarily Bart, but it's common in Bitcoin. So you can see, you always see price go up and price go down very quickly while having this move to the upside, where this is the way these big players who have big money engineer a way to get people wrecked, basically. So that being said, this is a quick update. I'm going to share this on Discord, so you just have an idea of what we're doing here with the markets. I hope you found this valuable, and I hope to see you in other market updates.